Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. This is the second of your important pre-trip inspections, the interior inspection. There is a lot to remember in both of these procedures. Also, you must be aware of the time you take and remember to clearly call each check out loud to your examiner. Once you have completed the exterior inspection, open the driver's door and get into the driver's seat. You may place the key into the ignition, but do not start the vehicle. Ensure your window is open so you can hear the examiner's instructions and the examiner can hear you giving your verbal confirmation of the steps you are taking during the inspection. Now, in the sequence demonstrated here, begin your routine. Ensure that the parking brake is applied. Ensure that the gear lever is in neutral. If your seat needs to be adjusted, do it now. Check and adjust all your mirrors for maximum rear view vision. Check for any obstructions to your operation of the controls at your feet or of your view. Turn ignition key to be in the on position without starting the engine. Check for warning lights and gauges. Check electric window operation and check all instruments on instrument panel and mention any changes. Check operation of front beams, dipped and main, brake lights, indicators, horn and wipers. The examiner will ask you to do this step and will confirm that the lights are working from outside the vehicle. Switch off the ignition. At this point, if the examiner is happy with your vehicle's roadworthiness, he or she will enter your vehicle and occupy the passenger seat. Check your steering wheel for excessive free play. Check pressure on brake and clutch pedals. Pedals that are too loose or floppy indicate poor functionality. Check that doors are properly closed and that passengers are conversant with operation of them. Fasten seat belt and request passengers to fasten their seat belts. Check that your passengers are conversant with the operation of the release mechanism of the seat belts. You have now completed the pre-trip inspections. Get into the habit of performing this inspection routine in the same order and at a pace that gives you time to complete the rest of your yard test. You're almost there. Relax, stretch your arms and legs, take some deep calming breaths. Everyone is nervous for their test. You are ready for this. You are in control. Indicate to the examiner when you are ready to proceed. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.